my nigga Matt.
Travis.
You know who that is? Okay. So anyway, so how old are you? Oh shit, you my age. Is that right? This nigga.
Fucking crackhead.
You about to go to sleep? Well, in that case, it's fuck a bitch.
Hey, tell me what's up.
Ari.
That's what they call her. Ari.
Is she ugly?
No, fat.
She's fat? Ugly. Why do you say no to everyone that's hella ugly? Niggas like, no. Little faggot ass.
Hey,
Got
cuz.
no taste. No.
That's what you said about the moms.
What?
That's what you said about the moms.
That's what they said about you too.
Hey, fuck
Let
you.
me tell you niggas right now. Best place for you niggas is sleep. Either in my brother's room or right here in the living room. Nigga, I can tell you this right now.
I'm gonna go get that one thing out
Because
the
you're
bedroom.
gonna wake up and you're in the morning, hella early, and you're gonna be like, fuck.
I wish I went to sleep earlier.